If you're comparing Xero versus MYOB and wondering which one offers the most robust integrations, you're in the right place. Both are major players in the accounting software space, but they have some distinct differences that can make a big impact on how well they fit into your existing systems. Let's dive into the details, and stick around till the end. I'll be sharing a better alternative that might just give you what you're looking for when it comes to integrations. Let's start with Xero. It has a reputation for being one of the most versatile accounting platforms out there, thanks in part to its massive marketplace of integrations. Xero has a variety of accounting-related tools, and it integrates seamlessly with over 800 third-party apps. Whether you're looking for payroll, CRM, or e-commerce tools, the chances are Xero already has a built-in solution or a third-party integration to handle it. Next thing, Xero also stands out for its cloud-based nature, which makes real-time updates across apps a breeze. The integrations are generally smooth, with many of them being designed with small to medium-sized businesses in mind. However, Xero's third-party app marketplace isn't as large as it might seem in certain regions, and some users report that certain integrations can be a bit clunky. For example, connecting payment processors sometimes requires a few extra steps. Moving to MYOB, the integration game here is a little different. MYOB has a more streamlined and focused set of integrations with strong connections to payroll, PS systems, and other financial tools. It's ideal if you're looking for an accounting system that's tightly linked to Australian tax and compliance systems. But while MYOB's integration selection might be smaller than Xero's, it does offer seamless integrations for businesses operating mainly in Australia or New Zealand. The fourth thing, MYOB offers some powerful integrations for enterprise-level clients, but for smaller businesses, some users feel restricted by the lack of variety. Its marketplace is much more niche, meaning if you're in need of a more global or diverse selection of apps, you might not get the flexibility you'd find with Xero. Additionally, MYOB has fewer integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and doesn't work as well with international tools compared to Xero. Now, the fifth thing to consider, both software options come with their pros and cons. Xero's vast selection of integrations is great for businesses that need flexibility, but it can feel overwhelming and inconsistent, especially when certain integrations aren't as smooth as advertised. MYOB, while more stable in some ways, lacks the breadth and global focus of Xero, making it better for businesses in specific regions, but limiting for others. But here's the twist. While Xero and MYOB both offer solid integration options, there's a newer competitor on the market that could just outperform both in this area. After trying all of them myself, I believe there's a better solution if your goal is to find a platform that integrates flawlessly with more modern tools and provides a smoother user experience. For the best experience and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, you can take advantage of a free trial through the first link in the description. This will give you access to more integrations, along with features that could save you time and effort when managing your business finances. In conclusion, Xero and MYOB are both solid choices, but depending on your needs and location, one might be more suitable than the other. That said, if integrations are your main focus, don't settle for just okay. Check out the link below for a better alternative.